Ganda pa rin, ang ganda. Hi! So yun, I feel like I have 50-50 probability chance again today. 50% chance na malate, 50% chance na hindi. Pag na-late, uuwi. Pag hindi, then that's a win. Lagi na lang late. Tapos, masasaktuhan ba na laging umuulan? Hindi. I mean, it's my fault, right? Pero, taisin lang natin. I only have 3 days left before the Christmas break. Kasi, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, siguro completion na lang yun ng mga kulang. Then, Thursday, December 18 was our Christmas party. Hindi ako sasama. Kasi, we're going to museum that day. Yes, let's go. We're near, bro. Namiskal!
What's up, Corey?
Tinatapan ko nga ito sa pool eh.
Magaling ang water, bro.
Gagula pa mga libre. Ayun na kasi.
Takay na lakas sa ulan. Ay, friend!
We're near, bro. Glad I am not late today. Balik ka na yan. Rani! Ito, Rani.
Hi!
What's that?
Meron ka na.
Dito. Alright. Space, kalat noise. Sulat muna tayo. Nagulo. Paldong.
Aral mabuti.
Naghirap na kaya binabakat mo na lang.
Oh, wala tayong talent yan eh. Hindi tayo gifted katulad ng iba.
I'm gonna hit deadlifts later.
Sa pagsipagan.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to, guys. Ako, gagawin ako inverted. Pero, choosing
Math yan,
student
boy.
leaders. Ay, math ba to? Wala kasi akong ganito eh.
Kailangan mo maging mabuti sa math. Hindi mo kailangan maging matalino.
Math magtatanim ka, sana nagtutuyan na naman tayo.
Sino panalo? Sa math, hindi kailangan lagi ka matalino. Dapat mabait ka, boy. Yo. Ayusin mo. Pakita mo. Dapat mabait. Ano? Clean tree. Help people.
Who's the people there? Who's this? Who's this? Mama, Papa.
Mama, me, ate, that's me, this me. This me. Ate, kuya, sister, this me. Right. This is Todd, Kashkan, Loyal Boggy, 1, 2, 3.
Tangin na mamarketis ako mag-isa dito, guys. Absent kasi ako nung Friday. I was sick that time. But I'm gonna take a month with this. Practice yourself. Hindi na mamap yan. I'm gonna push this shit, man. Nag-check ulit ako. Ano?
Tatay ka ng ganito?
Ano ba to? Ano? Good luck sa Telly. Good luck sa Telly. Telly, good luck.
Good luck. Wala kang bag sa TLE. Wala kang bag.
Tangan, ang galing oh. Uy!
Dito kami! Besa kita daw.
Dag!
Matalo kayo ng moves ko. Bago natin muna ako first lift. May mga ano na to, back set. Pangorin mo lang.
No. We don't have any teacher. Supposedly, we're going to present dapat sa TLE about electricity currents, how electricity flows. Ayun. Ayun, wala kasi si mom, but we're gonna do a task. I just want to disconnect with everyone. I don't know how to explain the feeling, but I just want to be private and low. Just myself, the nature, and doing the things that I love. Like this, vlogging. Sometimes it's very embarrassing when naglalakad ka na meron kang hawak na cellphone. But I don't fucking care kasi you can't control other people's opinions and lives, how they see it. So just keep doing what you want. Dami ng CR. Lock in sa idol.
Kagi.
Tangina, tinapihan mo pa yung ano.
AI.
Ganda ng sapatos para kay Lebron.
Yung pamana.
Tangina yun sa akin kumana. The sunset is very beautiful. You know, I will always admire and I really love sunset. I mean, I love sunrise and sunset. Ganda pare, ganda.
Ganda pare, ganda.
Ganda pare. Ganda pare, ang ganda. Grabe pare. We're rehearsing guys, we're rehearsing. Mga sa akin yung tatlo? Wala.
Publiko, surrender, pangamba.
Ulit, mabilis.
Publiko, surrender, pangamba.
Nice one.
Malawak na investigasyon laban sa katiwalian sa proyekto.
Amen. Ano na guys? Last one subject. Matek some 18 points. Gawa ni AI.
Si Editor Bar, si Fuentes, Andrew Rubik, kala mo marunong. Si John Ber, Kulangot, may shota tatlo. Ito yung klase namin. Nagtitest sila, nagtitest. Ito, mga tropang likod. Bigay mo na. Doon, pogi muna kay Pogi.
Si Brani, hindi nagsasabi.
Pogi daw, pogi.
Yung tasting
Ay, yung pinaka-pogi sa room namin.
Ah! Hi! We're going home, right? We're going home again?
Parang feeling ko kung magiging teacher ko, tsaka
Tagal mo. I'm vlogging every day. I'm vlogging every day. It's called daily vlogs. Jollibee tayo? Libre mo ako? Ha? Jollibee? Libre mo ako? It's Jollibee.
yung una pala.
We're here. Yung pwede ulam, to Rexona. Bobo. Ituruan ko kayo paano magtimpla na. Hindi timpla yung ko na dito.
Akin yan eh. Yan yung maayos yung takip. Akin yan. Akin yan.
It's already mine. Ito pong init. I just realized why a lot of people doesn't have any progress. And I reflected through it. I think the reason bakit walang improvements at progress yung mga tao because they have this called as perfectionists. Ako kasi before, I was really a perfectionist guy. When it comes to doing contents, like yung naantay yung perfect timing. Puro ko perfect timing. I always wait for perfect timing. Pero do you know what happened? I didn't have any progress. I mean, I'm posting, yeah, once per day. Pero sometimes I don't do any contents kasi takot ako magmukhang cringe. Takot ako magmukhang shit. Even though sometimes hindi ko alam yung mga sasabihin ko, nabablanko ako. I don't care if what people might think of me. I have this, what I call as the quota mindset. Kumbaga, kasi I'm uploading 26 contents na per day. And if I already make 2 to 6 contents just a day, that's it. I don't check it anymore. And hindi ko na rin siya tinitignan. Move on for tomorrow. That's already the small wins. You're doing better than most people, bro. Always appreciate yourself. Always be proud of yourself. That's a small reminder that you don't need to wait for perfect timing. And hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Sometimes starting things is much better than waiting for perfect timing. Kasi doon mo naman na marirealize yun eh, sa journey. A lot of people are faking their own progress. That's my gym, guys. Oh. Chalk up tomorrow.